Well, we are currently stuck a little bit, kind of stuck in the mud and waiting on my friend to come get me. He's gonna cross me at this crossroads here eventually. I'm not actually sure where he's at exactly. It's been about an hour. Gonna probably push into 2 hours. I don't know exactly where he's at, but better to sit right here, and it could have happened in a better spot because he is gonna pass me here. So just gonna wait for him to get here and then we'll keep on moving. But somebody's doing all right, right? Are you doing good? Lewis is doing fine. Just hanging out. He's hungry. I know he's hungry.
No, but I'm saying to turn the Jeep around. I'm not saying to set up right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
You don't think I can cut it back here?
Oh, you could. Yeah. I mean, let me see. I don't think that would be a problem. Get out of my face.
Well, we finally made it to freaking camp after a long journey, getting stuck for a little while. Took us a while to finally get here, but we may do for tonight. So we're gonna set up and cook some dinner. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work. We're gonna start chopping up some vegetables. So yeah, we're just making do with what we got, and we're on an incline, so everything's gonna want to roll off the table, and my dog just disappeared. Anyways, I'm sure he's got him. Should be fine. We start chopping up some vegetables here. Starting to rain again. Yeah, tonight we're gonna be cooking kebabs, but stir fry instead. So that's what we're gonna do. And then hopefully tomorrow we can get some juice on this thing. We're at 77% right now. Evu, a little bit of Evu. It's a damn shame we don't have any music.
I know. None of mine's playing either. Well, I have a little bit of soy sauce now because apparently it all squeezed out on the way up here.
That's all we need.
Okay, let's not get crazy.
Evil, right here.
That's what I was looking for. That's what I
Something
want,
like that,
baby.
evil
You got?
right now.
You want food? I got food for you right here. You want food? I just gave you a plate, Bubba.
Mm. You have those peppers that you brought?
Yeah, right here. They're Anaheims.
They're hot?
Now, they got a little taste to them, but they're not hot. Baby.
Something big is flying around here.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we got some seasoning. I don't even want to know what that is. It sounds so big. I'm just like, it's on my head. Hopefully it's gone though. It landed on me for a second. God, it smells so fucking good. I guess let's give that a minute. I'm gonna start on the fire.
Yeah, I got a teepee over there. I just hadn't put the kindling up underneath it.
Wait, don't go in there yet. Come here. Chill. Calm down now. Craziness. A lot of work. A lot of work to do tomorrow too. We'll clean up a little bit of stuff tonight, and then tomorrow we're just gonna have to go through and dry everything out because it got pretty bad. But that's what camping is, you know. What are you gonna do? The rain starts. That's why you got the gear. Unfortunately, I've got this sleeping pad that's not wanting to come out right now. It does not want to come out. Everything is just sticky and wet. Good Lord. Not looking forward to putting this back, but on a positive note, everything has been fun. We've been having a really good time. But I am happy about the fact that the Jeep performed like it should. I had an issue earlier, but got the lockers going, and once I had the lockers going, we made it up and out. I mean, we are on the side of a mountain in the mud. It was rough, but it's a good spot to set up camp because we had a little bit of flat ground here. Good boy. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Oh yeah, I'm a good boy. You can go to sleep. I'll probably check in when we got the storm rolling in, but for now we're going to sleep.
Reset. You want some water?
It's officially the next day and we just got off the trail. We ended up having a tree fall. I'm sure I've said that already, but a tree fell near us last night on the trail, and really honestly we just took a quick look around, didn't see anything, you know, too sketchy as far as dead trees, but when we went to sleep, it started storming again pretty good, and about 3 o'clock in the morning something fell, and it sounded like a branch maybe, but it came down hard, but maybe 20 feet from our tent, or our tents, but yeah, we survived and we're heading out. So I'm gonna move down to the next trailhead and then see if I can get up into this place called the field. It's like a big open space where I can fly the drone around and the dog can run and play. See if I can get to that if it's not too muddy. Well, even if it is muddy, I'm going to try to make it, but if it's too slick and I can't make it up there, I'm going to probably set up camp down at the trailhead again. But we're going to keep rolling. Just enjoying the sights. Come on, you got it. Good boy. I'm by myself now, and I don't want to risk getting stuck or having something happen. So at least here I know if I had to, I could walk and find somebody or somebody be passing by eventually. So I think we're gonna call it.